If Steam is showing error code 106, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam connecting again as quickly as possible. This error usually happens when Steam can't reach its servers because of a network issue, a DNS problem, or something on your system like a VPN, proxy, or firewall interrupting the connection before it finishes. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Steam or making any complicated changes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is flush and reset your network settings because this is the most effective fix for Steam error code 106. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Command Prompt opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears old or corrupted DNS records that may be causing Steam to fail when it tries to find the server address. Next, type net/sh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket catalog, which can fix connection problems caused by damaged network settings. After that, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. This restart is important because the network reset won't fully apply until your system boots back up. Once your computer restarts, open Steam again and check whether the error is gone. If Steam still isn't working, the next step is to change your DNS servers. Sometimes your internet provider's DNS can respond slowly or incorrectly, which causes Steam to fail when resolving server addresses. To change it in Windows, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet and choose your active connection. Open the DNS settings and set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, and they often give more reliable results than default provider DNS settings. After saving the change, restart your browser or Steam client and try connecting again. Now, if you use a VPN or a proxy, turn it off right away. Steam error code 106 can happen when a proxy or VPN is actively resetting the connection before Steam can complete the request. To disable the Windows proxy, go to Windows Settings, then Network and Internet, then Proxy. Make sure any manual or automatic proxy options are turned off. If you are using a third-party VPN app, exit it completely and make sure it is not running in the background. Then reopen Steam and test the connection again. In a lot of cases, that alone solves the issue. If the problem still continues, the next thing to do is verify your game files, especially if the error appears when launching a specific game. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that is giving you trouble and choose Properties. Then click Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any missing or corrupted files automatically. This can help if the error is being triggered by damaged game data instead of a network issue. While Steam is verifying, let the process finish completely and then try launching the game again. If you've made it this far, you're already covering the most common causes of Steam error code 106. The usual issue is not Steam itself, but a DNS failure, a network reset problem, or a proxy or firewall interfering with the connection. That's why this order of fixes works so well. It starts with the most likely cause and moves into the deeper checks only if needed. If this video is helping you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I post more easy troubleshooting guides that save you time and stress. After verifying the game files, go back and test Steam once more. If it opens normally, you're done. If not, I'd recommend also checking your firewall settings to make sure Steam is allowed through and temporarily disconnecting any security tools that might be blocking it. But for most users, flushing DNS, resetting Winsock, switching DNS servers, and disabling proxy or VPN settings is enough to fix the problem. So to recap, first, open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/flushdns and net/sh winsock reset. Then restart your PC. Next, change your DNS to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After that, disable any VPN or proxy settings in Windows. Finally, verify your game files in Steam if the issue is tied to a specific game. Follow those steps in order and you should be able to get past Steam error code 106 and get back online. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix.